Welcome back! We are going to be talking about the different seasons we have. Today, we're going to be focusing on spring. Spring is one of the 4 seasons. The spring months are March, April and May. So what does spring look like? Let's take a look at some springtime photos. What can you see in these photos? Spring weather can be quite varied. Right up to the end of May, or even into June, spring nights can be frosty and cold. At the same time, the days can also be sunny and warm. You might notice that the hours of daylight get longer and longer during the spring months. It may even still be light when you go to bed. Spring is the season when we change our clocks to move them forward 1 hour. The length of the days increase as the season goes on, and the nights get shorter. The animals that have been in hibernation through the winter come out on the first warm spring days. These can include hedgehogs, grass snakes, lizards, adders, frogs and toads. You might be able to see frog spawn, which looks like jelly. Toads can travel a long way to find their perfect pond to lay frog spawn. There are also millions of migrant birds that come back to the UK in the spring. You might be able to see swifts, cuckoos, nightingales, warblers and chiffchaffs. Chiffchaffs are usually the first birds to appear, and their chiffchaff song can be heard from the tops of the trees. Beautiful birdsong is all around in spring. Nature is very busy in spring, and there are lots of changes. You can see the trees and bushes grow new leaves again in spring, and many plants flower. They can do this because the air and soil are warmer and there are more daylight hours. Blossom appears first, then the leaves. Easter is a celebration that happens in spring. It started as a religious festival, and now many people celebrate it with Easter chocolate eggs and a game. Or Easter egg hunt. Easter Sunday always falls between the 22nd of March and the 25th of April. Easter Monday is a holiday where many people have the day off work.